India's solar installed capacity crossed 130 gigawatt in November. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy by Government of India's solar installed capacity has crossed over 130 gigawatt in November this year. The New and Renewable Energy Ministry said that this year's solar energy capacity has raised up to 41% of compared to the last year, which was at 94 gigawatt. The ministry informed that a cumulative capacity to over 3,000 megawatt of solar project has been commissioned in various solar parks during this year under the scheme of development of solar parks and ultra mega solar power project. Similarly, under commissions of solar power projects, government entities commissioned around 3 gigawatt of solar power project.